This is a 2009 BMW 128i E82 chassis. The reason we're working on this car today is the windshield wiper washers have stopped squirting. So we're going to try to correct that. Obviously this is a safety issue. We did check to make sure there was fluid in this reservoir, which is right here. So running dry fluid is not the issue. First thing we do is to check the windshield wiper washer fuse, which is back here. There's a little index card back here that says that the fuse is number 48, and on the reverse of the card is the location of fuse number 48. So the next step is going to be to get to where the reservoir and the pump are located, which is behind this panel right here that's behind the wheel. So the wheel is going to have to come off. We want to peel back this entire wheel well liner, and it has fasteners on the underside, fasteners on the side, and here and everywhere you look it has fasteners. We're just gonna have to get them all out one by one. This whole thing is out of the way, the wheel well liner, and now we can get to the good part, which is this reservoir that is stuffed in back here. For this reservoir, we have just one retaining bolt here. We also have this retainer for the wire bundle that we can detach from the reservoir. And there it is. It's a pretty huge reservoir. They made it a weird shape. Now, to pull it out, you want this front part that's up here under the arch, you want to just tilt it down. Just tilt that down, and at the same time as you tilt it down, you pull this upward and it clears over these ledges right there. This is a replacement pump that I purchased online. I'll include a link in the video description so you can get one. This same pump is used across a wide range of BMW models, and it's available pretty inexpensively. So what I'm going to do to install it real quick is first I'm going to disconnect the hose from the pump. I'm going to disconnect the connector, and then I'm going to try to do a very quick swap without losing too much washer fluid. There's the new pump installed and connected. This is the old pump. Note it has a rubber grommet on the bottom. Now there was a new grommet that came with the new pump, and I installed it first before pushing the nozzle of the pump in. Let's go see if it squirts. Sorry about the poor lighting. We just pulled back on the lever and we are back in business. But now it's telling me for some odd reason that I have insufficient level of washer fluid. That's really strange. The reason the washer fluid warning was on is that the reservoir was still tilted. I had not put it back into place, so I pushed it back into the correct position. In the tilted position, this level sensor was running dry. Back in position, it is reading that there is fluid available in the reservoir, and the warning is off. Everything is back together except for these three fasteners right here. Now, they don't seem to be reusable. Once you push the pin in far enough, then they cannot be reinstalled. You have to replace them with new fasteners. So in my garage, I have a kit with an assortment of all kinds of fasteners, and I do have some that are not identical to the original, but they are the correct size and they will fit in. I will link to a kit like this in the video description, because these fasteners in different sizes you can use in many different places on the car. And here they are installed. Nobody will ever know the difference. Ready to get back on the road and squirt again like we did last summer. You can see a little bit of a wet spot there under the wheel from where we lost a little bit of squirter fluid. Squirt first, ask questions later. Never miss an opportunity to squirt. Thank you for watching this video. Catch you in the next one.